Okay, for this video, you can see I've made it back to my table with my project. My underglazes, the brushes I selected. I also have a container of water here. When I switch colors, I'm going to rinse my paintbrush off in the water and dab it off on the paper towel. If I'm painting with a large group of people, you obviously want your own paper towels, but one large bucket of water. You don't need all of these at every single table. For everyone at the table, you can get away with one bucket of water. I also brought the test tile over for Hunter Green, which is this color right here. Matches up pretty close. What you don't know about this is this side that is shiny is sealed with clear glaze. This is left unsealed, which is an effective technique to use if you so choose. Most of the time, for our first couple of projects, we're going to encourage you to seal it with underglaze. Leaving it unsealed is more an advanced technique. When we underglaze, at the top, this was one application that was put on. That's why it's so transparent. In the middle of this test tile, there were two applications put on. We waited a few moments, we put a second application on where we went the opposite direction. Very important to go opposite directions. This is way at the bottom where it's much darker is 3 applications. And what that looked like was, this was one application. We let it dry. This was a second application. We let it dry. This was a third application. Very important to keep track of how many applications are on it. If you go to 4 applications, it will be too thick. It can flake off in the kiln. When I start painting on my bowl, the plan I went over with my teacher was a majority of it was green. What I like to do is the bottom side first, because with underglazes and glazing your project, you're doing the entire piece, inside and out, the entire bottom. That's one application. I'll work my way down the bowl and I will paint in one direction. You can see it goes on quickly. It's easy to tell what application has gone on first. Now, my first application is done. What I need to do is I need to allow that to dry. I will show you how to fix the brush strokes on the next video.